This is Giotti Line, and this is a Giotti Line Siena 6 metre motorhome, and this comes at a cost of 60,769. So for this, you've got a bed up there, as you can see. At the back, you've got a toilet on the left hand side. You've got the corner bed down here, and show you into the toilet and bathroom, shower at the back, and with a bar at the top so you can wash your socks and hang, and they'll be clean in the morning. Here we've got a small window, here we've got a mirror, and there's the toilet. What we've got in here, we've got storage all the way around, including this wardrobe here, which that could do with some attention. That's going to break, and it comes with a curtain so you can close yourself off if you want. Here we've got a nice deep fridge, tower fridge, and this is a drop down bed. You need a key to actually get it to drop down, and it's a single bed up here. Below it we've got a table, a semi dinette, and chairs around it. Over here, the kitchen, I've got to say, is quite impressive. It's got a space for food preparation. We've got the sink here, which has got a proper domestic drainage point, 2 burners, and a kitchen block below it, and there's a table extension as well. I'm just going to give you a very quick look at this. I noticed I didn't shut the door. Did I not shut the door? Was the door broken? Let's find out. No, it was my fault. I didn't close it correctly. I noticed that this seems to be peeling down there. This is a floor that's been put here for the show to stop people damaging the floor. After all, it has to be sold afterwards. Under the bed also, incidentally, we can actually get the storage, which is accessible from both inside and outside. That gives you an idea. Down there's the boiler. Let's have a look outside. And have a walk around. There says from, nobody pays the from price, 57,500. There you've got a access to the underbed compartment, and this looks like that. The boiler, of course, is behind with the charger and the inverter. I think it's no, it's a charger. Oh. Right, good. So that's a quick look at this Giotti Line 6 metre motorhome, and thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Upload every day at 21:15. This is the largest site for motorhomes and campervans on YouTube. There's a very large choice here. Moment from me in Dusseldorf. Bye for now.